Greeting guys, this is Walid, an Arabic tutor for non-native speakers. If it's the first time just watch me, subscribe to my channel on YouTube and follow me this page on Facebook. Let's go. We finished all the letters with the first movements ftha, and I told you before we have around 4 letters in Arabic language. The first one ftha, and then dama, and then kasra and sukun. Okay, ftha, it's going to put this on the top of the letter, and in kasra below the letters, and in dama on the top of the letters, and sukun also on the top. We finished whole letters with ftha on the past videos. You can follow these videos and watch it. We are going to schedule our letters with the first 3 movements, ftha and dama and kasra. So, are you ready? Bring your notebook and your pencil, and let's get started. The first letter, we know this before, a with ftha. Look, a. Let us to put this with kasra. E. So you have to make your mouth below it a little bit. Then, like you have to break. You know, you have to break your mouth like e. And last one, dama, you have to make your mouth like a circle when you pronounce these movements. Ooh. So, a, e, oo. Okay? So, the next letter, ba, we know this before, ba with ftha. Ba, and then break your mouth down a little bit. B, and last one, boo. Okay, the next letter, ta, with kasra then. Let me give you 3 seconds. Amazing. T, and then two. Last letter of our episode, tha with ftha. Tha, I told you how to pronounce it. Make your tongue between your teeth and pronounce it. Appear your tongue. Tha, ftha. Tha with kasra. Thi, and last one with dhamma. Thu. Okay, and this is the end of our episode. Let me then to give you food for thought for the next class. Let me then to know what is the name of this letter with dhamma. Okay, so I'm gonna see you at the next class. See me for more videos, and bye bye.